Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar currency index. Dollar is the most popular and traded currency in the world. So yes, dollar's movement, knowing about the important levels of DXY is very important. So after the failed breakout, we can see that DXY is trading inside a narrow range of 102.25 and 101.65. This is the narrow range of DXY, and my dear friends, as we all know it very well that both fundamentally and technically DXY is not very positive right now, and the sellers are dominating this market. So next week there is a possibility that DXY may fall again, and we may see DXY heading towards the support level of 100.80 to 100.50. These are the next two support levels on the chart of DXY. And to be honest, there is no strong immediate support on the chart of DXY. If the volatility of the market remains low, then we can expect DXY to take support around these two levels. But otherwise, we do not have any fundamental factor that will bring recovery on the chart of DXY. And in case by next week DXY shows some recovery also, my dear friends, keep in mind that for any trend reversal, we need a news. We need a fundamental factor. Without any fundamental factor or news, the breakout may not sustain. So if DXY shows recovery also, be careful. We have multiple resistances around 102.2.80, then we have resistance around 103.50, and these levels should work because no news as such. During the weekend there may be some news, okay, and that may bring some volatility, but as of now there is no news that will come to save and rescue DXY. Okay, now let's talk about GBPUSD. So this is the Forex chart of GBPUSD in front of us, and GBPUSD closed at 1.2441. This is the last traded price of GBPUSD. GBPUSD was an uptrend, and it was respecting the trend line. But when market broke the trend line, the same trend line is right now acting as the dynamic resistance for the market. We can see that for the last couple of days, the market is acting weirdly, market is choppy, and we do not have any clear direction on the chart of GBPUSD. So let's discuss about the possible trading opportunities one by one. Okay, so if GBPUSD breaks 1.2350 level, okay, if GBPUSD breaks 1.2350 level, observe the volatility of the market. If you see that the size of the candle is good enough, if the size of the candle is good enough, it means that market has volume and you can go for a sell position. But right at the opening of the market, try to avoid any position, and the reason is that usually we do not get to see much volatility during the first half of Monday, and less volatility means less volume in the market usually. Okay, and without proper volume, breakout and breakdown is not possible. If there is less volume and still market is going for a breakout or breakdown, it means that it may be a false breakout or a false breakdown. So right after the opening, if you see something like that, try to avoid it. But during the US session, if you see that GBPUSD is going down, okay, and the size of the candle is good enough, okay, you can look for a sell position below 1.2350, and you can expect 30-40 pips easily on the trade. And the next support on the chart of GBPUSD is around 1.2280 to 1.2265. 1.2280 to 1.2265. This is the next support on the chart of GBPUSD if GBPUSD breaks this level. Again, I'll repeat, if GBPUSD breaks this particular support here with volume, we can go for a sell, and you can expect a profit of 30-40 pips, and then we can expect the market to take support around 1.2280, 1.2265. If according to our expectation we see some buying around this area, And if you see the market is showing price rejection from below, market is showing hammer pattern, it will give us a confirmation that buyers are present and we can go for a buy position. And the reason is that we have got Fibonacci 38.2% retracement around this area, as well as we have also previous support around this area. If we combine both the factors, we can expect the market to take support in this region. Okay, and if market starts going up, then we can also expect some selling opportunity. Okay, expect selling opportunity around 1.2485 to 1.2468, 1.2485 to 1.2468. This is a high risk sell zone on the chart of GBP USD, and the reason is that, let me show you, this is the trend line which is also acting as a dynamic resistance for the market. Clear? And around the same area we can see that price is showing rejection from above. So we can expect that if market does not show extreme volatility and if the market behaves normally, then you can also expect some resistance around this area again. If market hits 1.2470, 1.2475 level, observe the market on 1 hour time frame or 50 minutes time frame. 4 hours time frame will be too slow, you'll miss the opportunity. Simply switch to 1 hour time frame or 50 minutes and wait for some price rejection from above. In this zone, if you see the market is showing price rejection from above, market is struggling, especially around the trend line. Okay, especially around the trend line. Then you'll get a confirmation that market still does not have the volume. The buyers in the market still struggling. They still do not have the strength, and you can look for a sell position as well. But overall, the market is an uptrend, so do not forget to follow proper risk management. Okay, overall the trend of the market is still very much towards the upside, so as a result, okay, following proper risk management is extremely important. Okay, and as a result, I mentioned that it can be a high risk sell opportunity as well. Usually I do not prefer to take trades against the trend of the market, but though the market is an uptrend overall, but right now we can see that the trend of the market is changing. Right now, um, in the month of April, we can see the market is showing a sideways characteristic. So as a result, I think that this may work also. With proper risk management, you can go for it. Okay, if market shows reversal, keep in mind no level is permanent in the market. As a result, confirmation is extremely important. That's why confirmation is also known as the insurance of traders. And the ultimate resistance is around 1.2545. This is the ultimate resistance on the chart of GBP USD. Okay, you can see that market has failed previously, and as we can see that the characteristic, the structure of the market is changing right now. So in the coming days, if market hits and reverses, we can also expect a sell as well. If market shows some selling characteristic, we can definitely go for it. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBP USD right now. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care, and that's all. Bye bye. Enjoy the weekend, and do not forget to follow risk management. This is my analysis. Okay, I'm also a trader like you. I also make mistakes. Bye bye.